Good morning and welcome to cold, not sunny at all, Canada. If you have been following along, you're probably wondering what happened to the rest of your Thailand series, and I have to admit, I had a little bit of a lack in judgment thinking that that is a series that I would be able to finish for good reason. I'll let you in on in just a moment. But after I left you guys in Hua Hin, we actually headed north to Northern Thailand and then to Bangkok because for the last few years, 5 years, and some of you may know this already, we have been in the process of adopting from Thailand. So me, in my positivity only kind of vibes, had really thought that it would be possible to continue the series after we had met our little one and brought them back to Bangkok. That turned out not to be true, so I apologize for that. We do plan on doing some more Thailand travel in the upcoming months or year, so I will for sure pick up where we left off and share all of those things with you. But for now, that series has come to an end, and yeah, things are obviously a little bit different. No, this is not, I have like no plans for this to be any sort of a family channel style situation. Our little one is not going to be featured on the channel very often, but I do have to figure out timing wise, just like logistics and things like that, how that is going to work for me sharing my travels and day-to-day and things like that with you, because timing wise I have discovered that is a little bit tricky. So me and my naivete, yeah, I think I bit off a little bit more than I could chew with Thailand, so I apologize for that. If you were like really excited about Thailand and haven't already seen other Thailand travel adventures on my channel, hop back and check those out as well, because there really is so much content from the area on my channel now. But for now, we are home, and yeah, just keeping it casual, trying to figure life out. What does this mean for the channel though? I don't exactly know. I'm going to be experimenting with a few different things along the way, so you are kind of going to have to bear with me. I hope that you will as I sort of test things out. Obviously consistency is going to become a little bit of an issue, but I do plan on hopefully experimenting with some shorter form content as well, because we do have content, like I did film content while we were in Bangkok and Northern Thailand and things like that. Just not enough to sort of put a whole vlog series together. I filmed, a little, not a lot, but we were in Bangkok, for example, for nearly 2 weeks in our apartment, just sort of like getting used to life there. And I mean, we really enjoyed our time there, so I would like to share some of that with you guys. Okay, so we're home. We've been here a few days, so you will see that things are unpacked. We have a little kitchenette over here, couches and water for her formula and everything like that. She's got a bottle on the go. We've got Dad over there after the pool, enjoying the view. Nothing calms her down like the view out that window. I don't know what we're gonna do without it. Little area over here for the stroller. Dining area. We've kept our suitcases out here in the living room, just because it's easier with the crib in the bedroom. Yeah, to make space. Little seating area, and then we've pulled the coffee table back to make a little play spot. And then you come in through here, and this is our bedroom. So the crib is at the end there. So there is like a little office desk over there. I haven't been using it because it just doesn't really make so much sense. Our bed and then the crib at the end of the bed. Easy access when she's crying in the middle of the night. There's a little like spot here for getting ready, which I have taken over with all of my makeup and things. Not that I have really been doing it. And then we have our bathroom over here. Just a little thing with bathtub and a little shower back here. We've mostly been showering at the pool, just so that there's like more space for us to maneuver. And then if I can climb over the bed here, I will share with you the view. Ooh, there we go. Open this window up. And there's the view out there. Lumpini Park is like the furthest park, and then the embassy for the Netherlands is kind of below us. And there's our city view. It was actually our first time staying downtown like that, since we typically stay closer to Khao San Road and the temples and markets and things like that, and make our way around the city by riverboat. So for us, it almost felt like a new city completely. We were close enough to Lumpini Park that we could walk down that way and just hang out in the park on a nice day, but also close enough to the malls and embassies and things that we were kind of living in the middle of the hustle and bustle of everyday Bangkok life. We actually sort of enjoyed just living day-to-day life in the city like that, and now that we have a third in tow that might kind of slow things down a little bit, we've been thinking a lot more about kind of experimenting with living short-term in a few different cities here and there. Usually when we travel, we are only in one place for like 3 or 4 nights, like max 7 days. But yeah, we really enjoyed the feel of that. And I know that planning for sort of living short-term somewhere versus traveling somewhere is completely different. So, you know, somewhere that might be convenient for a couple days may not be convenient for 2 weeks needing to get groceries, all that kind of stuff. So if you're someone who has done that, lived short-term somewhere and really enjoyed like a certain location, I'd love for you to leave it in the comments and let me know what that spot is, because yeah, there's definitely a concept that's on our minds a lot. And Derek will be going on paternity leave here in a little bit, which is going to give us like a chunk of time that we can go exploring. So yeah, we'll sort of see how that goes. But the travel adventures, I mean, this is still going to be a travel channel. The travel adventures aren't going to stop. I am going to hopefully work in a little bit more of like my remote work stuff related to travel, things like that, just so that I'm not leaving you guys without content all the time. But I also don't want to like bog the channel down with videos that are kind of not really about anything. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to jump on here though and let you guys know like what happened to the series, where we're at, share our exciting news, which I am just over the moon about. And yeah, I just really appreciate your patience with me, and look forward to sharing with you the adventures that we have coming up, as well as picking up where we left off in Thailand the next time that we're back. So if you've not already, hit that like and subscribe button. I would love for you to do that. Go ahead and do that now. And until I see you in the next video, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you then. Bye guys.